Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to teach you how to induce a sneeze. Take a regular old Kleenex, just like this one, and you take a corner and you start to fold it and twist it and turn it. I already have one made for you. On both ends, you take said side, you shove it up your nose, very gently, of course. Don't want to jumble things up there. Shove them up there, just like this. And now you start to gum. This is how you gum. You start wiggling around. It might take a moment. Hello, you've just seen me sneeze. I hope you folks at home have learned a valuable lesson about sneezing. Always have plastic underneath because spit goes everywhere. Alright.